Sorry.
Oh, it won't start.
Can I get off it?
You think it makes a difference?
Well, it started before.
I know.
Think you got it all mapped out. Sound so self-assured when you talk about all the things you're gonna do. You gon' let the world make your dreams come true. What a shame, I fooled you twice. Bet you think you know it all. Think you had your back against the wall. Now it's time to get your babe. Never have another rainy day. What a shame, I fooled you twice. You navigated them chopping waters. The sailing from here is smooth and clear. You have no fear, it don't get no harder. You think to yourself, where you've been, there's no more hell for you. What a fool. Guess you got it all planned out. You done hit the bottom right by now. You know how the story goes. Won't be any more, I told you so. What a shame, I fooled you twice. Nothing else is in your way. You're about to walk to victory. Now you finally reached the end. Now it's time to feel the sun again. What a shame, I fooled you twice. You navigated them chopping waters. The sailing from here is smooth and clear. You have no fear, it don't get no harder. You say to yourself, where you've been, there's no more there for you.
Say hi, Charlie. This is Charlie. The last time I tried this, I was on Highway 50, and I paired my 360 X5 with my Sena 50s, and the audio was kind of crappy. A few nights ago in men's group, a gentleman asked for prayer for a godly wife, and it made me think of Proverbs 31. Who can find a virtuous and capable wife? She is more precious than rubies. Her husband can trust her, and she will greatly enrich his life. It made me think about my wife. I'm very blessed. My prayer for you is that you find one that's more precious than rubies, one that makes your house into a home, one that lifts your spirits, one that can challenge you, Let me know if the audio is any better. Talk to you soon.